GS2 paper, which includes the Indian polity and constitution, the social justice and governance, and international relations. This is a paper where no aspirant will lack content, but most of the aspirants will lack the direction for proper preparation. Why do I say that is because when most of the aspirants are preparing for Indian polity and constitution, they try to translate their prelims knowledge into mains answer writing, and these answers will lack opinions and depth as well as analysis in their answer writing. The second is when they are preparing for social justice and governance, they treat that this section is an extension of Indian polity and try to use the same knowledge that they have gathered in Indian polity in social justice and governance, and hence when they write answers they lack the section specific depth of social justice and governance. And finally, when it comes to international relations, there is a lot of content overload, there is a lot of information from many different sources that the students will study but fail to translate this information into international relations specific language in their answer writing. This is exactly why we are introducing the Mains Foundation Program for GS2, where we treat all the three sections separately and we bring separate frameworks for separate sections so that we can extract maximum marks from all the three sections that will translate into better marks in your mains exam. So in our Mains Foundation Program, when it comes to Indian polity, we are going to focus both on static and current affairs, and we'll also help you build opinions and take a balanced constitutional stand. When it comes to social justice and governance, we don't treat it as an extension of Indian polity, we treat it as a separate section. We try to study it from the keyword driven approach. We try to take economic survey, budget and government schemes and try to integrate them into our social justice answers and try to enrich the answers to show how policy level thinking can translate into answer writing. And the last section is international relations. In our program, we are going to structure the current affairs, we are going to translate the current affairs into question and answers, and we are going to use the keyword approach in order to bring the international relations relevant language in our answer writing. By the end of 15 days, you would have not only learned more than 100 current affairs issues, but you would have also learned how to integrate those issues into your answers. You would have also learned how to develop opinions and take a stand that is more constitutionally inclined, and more importantly, you would have learned how to develop section specific depth, opinion and analysis in Indian polity and constitution, social justice and governance and international relations. So the Mains Foundation Program for GS2 is starting on 10th of August and it is going to run for 15 days. It is available both offline and online. Offline seats are limited, so please make sure that you register as soon as possible. We don't teach GS2 as one subject, we teach them as 3 separate sections with 3 different thinking frameworks. If you're really interested to learn the frameworks, then join us on 10th of August for the Mains Foundation Program of GS2. I'm going to see you there, guys. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Bye.